Hi everybody, happy Tuesday. I hope you guys have had a great week. Busy as always around here. Worked last couple days, well, and barely off a day and a few days before that. So it's been very busy. And let's see, Saturday, what did I do? I had the day off, but I didn't get down in my room at all because I was running around doing stuff with my daughter. So, and binge watching. Boy, you get to watching one of those shows. They've changed TV shows on streaming like to 8 episodes. So then it's like you feel like you gotta watch all 8, you know? So next thing you know, day's gone, right? So yeah, that made that mistake on Saturday. But spring is here. As my coworker kept telling me all day Sunday, I'm like, why do you keep reminding me it's spring when we're in the hospital all day long? It's like, it's kind of depressing. But it was kind of dreary though here on that day because it was all rainy and foggy outside. So didn't feel like spring. But I hope the weather's good where you're at. Otherwise, just getting ready. I swear I signed up to do a craft show in April, like almost a year ago. And it's like a month away. And all the stuff I had planned, I was going to do some new stuff, hasn't like worked out. I did try some tiles. They did not work out. I'm going to try again because I bought a box of 100. So I'm going to try a different method this time. If I get it worked out, I will show you guys how to do it. But don't want to show you my fails because they looked awful. Hoping it was just because I got too close with the fixative, and so I'm going to try again. And I sprayed them outside and it was cold, so my husband says he thinks that was part of the problem too. So hopefully now the weather will warm up. Although I'm pretty sure I heard the weatherman say last night it was going to snow again. So that's Kansas for you. I'm loving my new car. It's been really nice with that. So new cars are always great. Probably not gonna like the new payment when I have to start paying it next week, but like it otherwise. So let's see, Stampin' Up! News. Had my class last week. It was fun. My friend Davina brought her boyfriend's sister. That was lots of fun. She's never stamped before, so she had a great time, she said. She wants to come back next month, so that was lots of fun. I can't even believe I'm about to say the new annual catalog is going to come out in May, which is really only like 6 weeks away. So if there's anything you're wanting out of the annual catalog, I'd be getting it because I haven't seen the new one yet. I think we get to see a preview this week. So I haven't seen it yet, but yeah, it's already that time, especially like in colors, the, 2022 colors will be going away, and they always sell out first. So if you didn't get refills, if you didn't get the markers, anything like that, they're going to go bye-bye. So you want to get them. Goodbye to Misty Moonlight. It's such a pretty blue. So we have seen a couple sneak peeks of some of the new colors. Oh, I'm going to sneeze. Sorry. So of course they always come out with great new colors, but we're always sad to see the old ones go. But you know, as crafters, we can keep them. Even though they go away, we just keep them. That's why our rooms are so full. So full. Look at that, all full. So, but I'm going to show you a card. My rainbow class is still available. Matter of fact, I'm going to work on the video this afternoon, but only probably for the rest of the week. And then I'm closing it out because I'm going to work on a new class to start for next month. And it is actually going to be using this stamp set, Artfully Layered. This will be my next class. because the mini catalog will go away and be new in June. Can you even believe the holiday catalog will be coming out soon? Oh my gosh. But we know as crafters, we start on Christmas stuff really early, so it's not a surprise. Because yeah, I will have to start for the holiday craft show season. If I haven't decided for sure that what I'm going to do. I think I did way too many shows last year. I just don't want that stress. So let's get looking at this, because this is super cute. And I want to show you my take on just a simple card that looks really awesome. So let's get at it. Here's the card we're going to make today. And it's super elegant, but super simple to make. And it's tone on tone with soft succulent. It is using the die cut, so it is using the bundle, and you have, this is the dies in the bundle with the stamp set, and you can use any sentiment you want. I'm going to use thank you, but it does have lots of sentiments. Have birthday, greetings, thank you, and I used this Stitch So Sweetly die, so you can just change what size you want and put those sentiments on there. So let's start with the stamping, and I'm going to let's stamp out the sentiment first, just because it's going to be the easiest. I'm using my Memento Black for that. Just a simple thank you, because we can always use thank you cards. And then I want to show you two different ways for stamping this leaf. So in my classes, I give them the die cuts, because it's just easier than everybody trying to stamp out their stuff. I'm going to get ink all over myself. So I stamp it, keep the stamp pad up because this is a cling, and then just lay the die cut on top. Just make sure you give it a good rub so that all parts of your stamp get inked. Okay? Then of course the traditional way, take your piece of paper, again ink it really good, and then just stamp. And of course this is where the mini Stamp and Emboss comes in handy, because you just take number 1, the clear pad of number 2, your paper, and I have a little, you take your die that I just had, lay that, hopefully, hoping you can see this, line it up. This, I think I believe the magnetic plate for this is now available. I don't have it yet. And then just run it through your machine. And boom. You have it. And you can pop out your die cut. I have 2 now. Alright, then we're going to take, this is the big plate for the impression that I made the leaves out of. I love this. It gives you a big plate, a big sheet of the whole background, and it just cuts it in. So I'm going to use my take a pick tool to pull it off. I love this plate, and look at all the detail you get in that. We're going to take some ribbon. This is that Evening Evergreen. I love the braided texture of it. So we're just going to put this around the bottom. Another piece of tape. Then we can take our stamp and seal here. Make sure you have a good amount of tape because of course there's texture. And it's going to go on top of our 4 1/4 by 11, which I should use my bone folder here so it folds well. Ooh, got that little crooked, straighten that out. Then I've taken two, these are the die cuts right here from this little sprig, and I'm using some, this is some sheer, oh, it's like vellum, but it's that ombre. It's the in colors for this month, but it's very shimmery. I think it's like shimmer vellum. So we're going to put some glue dots. So let's just put some glue dots on the back side here. Kind of put it in the big, and then of course the bottom's going to get covered up, so we'll just kind of lay that down. Oh, I think I got a straight glue dot there. That's all my glue dots on that page. And we'll put this one going a little more angled that way. Then we can put some adhesive on our leaf. And I think I'll angle my leaf like that. Take some dimensionals, of course. And pop that just like that. And now I'm going to take some Jenny Old Gems. I'm going to put some of the kind of tone that looks like our sprigs up in that corner. And then we will take the green ones here and put them in the leaves. And I love the little kind of tone that's in that too. So there you go. Now I have a couple thank you cards. I hope you guys enjoyed this really simple card that looks very elegant, and you will spread some cheer by giving out some cards to your friends and family. Thank you guys so much for joining me this week, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Talk to you guys later. Have a great day. Bye.